My name is Pranjal and I am studying in class 10th. I study in school Dr. Y.S. Khedkar International School. I am here to speak a few lines on the topic importance of mathematics in our daily life. So, maths is not limited to real numbers and trigonometry, but maths is endless. Maths has no limit. We use maths in our daily lives a lot, like we don't even realize, but yes, we use maths. Maths is kind of everywhere. Maths is in our surroundings, in your surroundings, in everyone's surroundings. We don't realize how much we use maths in our day-to-day life. So for example, to explain this more precisely, I would give some examples. So we use maths in our daily life right after we get up. How? We check time, right? So that includes maths. We grocery shopping or banking, checking temperature, or in basis of education, let it be studying or money or finding distances, about going from one place to another, or anything. A maths is included in all walks of our lives. Talking about maths educationally, till 10th, I suppose all the students are made compulsory to study maths, but after 10th standards we have to select various streams, and a lot of students have this misconception that if we choose science or commerce, only then we'll have to study maths, otherwise in arts we don't have maths. But it is not so. A lot of students should know that maths is kind of everywhere, and not only in science or commerce or arts, but even later when we are at a specific position, or we are doing job somewhere, or anything, or any kind of work we do, or any kind of career stream we choose, whatever we do, we need a little bit of basic of maths. A pinch of basic of maths is in everything. Maths is the salt of everything, without which a food, like food, all the other things are incomplete. So even if we try our level best to exclude maths from our career or our jobs, we would not be able to do so, because without maths there are a very little or very few or near about no jobs or no career streams. So we should make sure that we study maths at least till our 12th standard, so that we can do a respectable job. And respectable jobs nowadays include mathematics in a large amount, but still we should at least study maths till 12th standard. So this is how maths is important in our day-to-day life, as well as our educational, or let us say professional lives. So even if we try to exclude maths, or even if we try to ignore this subject known as mathematics or maths, we won't be able to do so, or even if we do so, we won't be able to succeed. So we should make sure that we study maths. And also, a lot of people find it difficult. I don't know why, but a lot of people find it difficult. So math requires only two things. First is understanding, and second is practice. If we have these two things in maths, we can do literally anything. Like, we can do wonders in mathematics. All we require is more and more practice and clear understanding of concepts. Thank you.